everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to turn a normal photo into a 3D cartoon with a shocking headline effect. And yes, it looks crazy good. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Twace app. If you don't have it yet, no worries. Just go to the Play Store and then just search for Twace and just download it. And once the app is installed, just open it and then just log in using your Google account. It's super quick and easy. And don't stress about the credits or payments because Twace actually give you a free plan with weekly free credits, so you can still generate this cool effect for free. Okay, now that you are logged in, you will land on the home page like this, and then from here just directly type on the AI filter, this one, and then inside this sections just go to the new arrivals sections, and then after that just scroll down and find the effect that called shocking headline, this one, this effect or this filter, and then just tap on it, and then after that just choose your photo. You can use a selfie, a portrait, or any clear photo of a person. Just make sure the face is visible for the best result. For example, I want to choose this one, and then after that just simply tap on animate and wait for the process. And okay, like this, your photo is now transformed into a 3D cartoon with a shocking headline look like this. I think it's cool. It looks so cool, and the detail of the 3D cartoon is so good. It's a little bit cute. And okay, maybe that's it. Super simple, right? If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.